You see me? Well, I figured we should do a little tutorial video because I know a lot of people have been asking me about how you make the Type X tails work if you get the stock tail lights harness, because the Type X tail lights have a different connector. So this is a stock connector right here. I already did this side, we'll show you how to do it. But your stock tail lights, here, let's go over here, I'll show you. These are the original Type X harnesses. And this is what you're gonna need from your stock tail lights to make this work. And all you're using is the actual connector, so don't worry about this stuff. Get your connector out. All right. So this connector has the same exact wire color combo. It's just a smaller plug. So you want to cut it, give you some room, cut it kind of long. Jordan, you're learning for when you get Type X tails, dude.
I got money for that.
We're sponsored by Nissan now, bro.
Oh snap.
Shameless plug. Go buy your parts at Nissan Parts. Use my promo code right here. Get your heat shrink. Slide your heat shrink on there. Get you set up like this. Just enough for them to hold. I just load up the solder and I kind of just
dab it on.
I kind of just play dip like that. Oh crap. Why is it so hard right now? I'm just kind of just do that. Cover up your mess so no one can see it. Freaking done. Done deal. There you go. 1 down, 3 to go. All right. There you have it. And then for the other one, totally forgot. Thought we were done. We'll do that one more again. Put her on there. All right, we got our little masterpieces done right here. Now for the moment of truth. Something like that. All right. Should we try, Jordan? Should we turn it on? Moment of truth right here.
Yes, sir. Yep. You're good.
Perfect.
Yep.
There you go. The
That's
getaway.
How you
Make your stock harnesses work for kouki tails. Cool. Good night. What's in the box? Is that how these go? Is that how you do these things? Came back from the Bay Area and we got some parts from all kinds of places. Not exactly sure what everything is. Let's start with this one. Hey Leah, what is this package? It has your name on it. I don't know what the third prong is for. Okay, I don't know what this is. What is this, babe? Oh, what? So Leah's cool too now. She gets cool people hitting her up to send her stuff. This is actually, this girl is really talented. What is her name? We'll tag her Instagram. She does really good work. I should have let Leah done this one, but look at this, dude. She made her own puzzle piece.
Oh, that's
this
a
is
puzzle?
Yeah. She's like a really cool artist. It's 34 of 300.
sickness, man.
Really dope. Thank you, Leah. Leah says thank you. What do we got
We're
here?
gonna have a video of Leah finishing the puzzle.
Yeah. This one is from Lucky Lab. Lucky Lab reached out on Instagram and said they wanted to send me a little care package. So if you want to send me a care package, I'm down for it. Just let me know. Lucky Lab actually has really cool stuff, We'll link their Instagram, we'll link their website. You guys can purchase whatever you see in this box and more. Let's see what we got. I love the JDM packaging though. This is pretty dope. Hokkaido. Probably didn't have to cut that. What do we got here? We got some t-shirts. They look like they are size small for you, babe. Some swing hand pop. Oh, these are tight. What? Okay. This is super JDM. This is funny. Are they air fresheners? Can you read that in Japanese?
Swing hand pop. Oh, it is air freshener.
The air freshener.
Yeah.
We got little SR20 keychains. Super dope. Yeah, you can put it in your car. You got a new SR, dude. Right here for you.
Wait, who sent you this?
This is Lucky Lab. They have really cool stuff. It's potato chips. You got cup holders. Yeah, it's all from Japan.
Cup holders and cup holders and cup holders.
More cup holders for the cup holders.
Oh, I need a couple of cup holders.
We've got, ooh, some flags.
Oh
Super dope. Dang, we gotta make some flags, Jordan. Can you hold that side?
Dang, that's so sick.
Super dope.
Sylvia Skyline Specialty Park Shop. Yeah.
That's dope.
That's
I like that.
Hey babe, what did you say about this box though?
I said we'll
We're
link
gonna
your
make a
Instagram.
30-minute video of you finishing puzzle.
Okay, cool.
She's down.
Hey, check out this one. This one's super dope. I think we saw this in Judson's garage.
I like the color. Upside down, bro.
Oh my gosh. Babe, we need to like... Okay, don't hang it up yet, okay? Let's hang it up at
Yeah.
the new place that we're gonna...
Oh, what?
Spoilers! Spoilers!
Dang, we got the metal pins. We got the RB26 metal pins. Super sick. And the SR.
Yeah, I want the RB26 instead.
We got the little thingamajigwaggers. The flags for the RC drift track, dude. Insert clip right here. And we got more air fresheners. Thank you so much, Lucky Lab. I appreciate you guys so much for reaching out. Nishimoto, Fontana Nissan. Oh, I know what this is. This is the reason why my car is on jack stands right now. White line bushings, lower control arm bushings. Mine were all blown out. So I gotta install these so we can go back drifting soon.
With TJ Hunt.
Do that TJ Hunt collab, yeah. Thank you, Fontana Nissan. What is this? Okay, this is from Part Shop Max. We got more goodies for the 240. Thanks to good old Tommy over there at PBM and Dan. Ordered some new shocks for my front suspension. Tommy said these ones are gonna feel a lot better. I've had the same ones for like 8 years, so it was time to upgrade. Dang, we got a lot of work to do in the 240 when I think about it before we can go drift. Just some coilover bottom mount lockout bracket thingamajiggers for Martin's freaking science experiment combination thing. I'll leave this to you, Martin. This one is pretty cool. I just picked up a new sponsorship from Action Clutch. They reached out and I saw some of the videos and wanted to work together. So signed a contract with them. You guys can actually purchase any Action Clutch product on their website using my promo code. I'll insert the promo code right here. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, all right.
Got a clutch.
I got a clutch for the race car because I already know my clutch is gonna go out real soon. Yeah, so here we went with the stage 1 clutch. We didn't need anything too aggressive. I told them I need something similar to the Nismo copper mix that I run. So I went with stage 1, and I think I have a stage 3 plate. But this looks really good. Almost looks like the Nismo copper mix. Hi. Pressure plate, keychain. We've got the clutch alignment tool. Let's check out the plate. Nice bright red.
That's an extra 5 horsepower. Red.
Yep. So we'll be doing an installation video, maybe one of these days when my clutch gives out.
When Coda comes back.
When Coda comes back and his leg heals. But thank you so much, Action Clutch. What do we got? Pro Tune suspension. Honestly, I have no clue what this is, but it's super heavy. Hello? Oh! 5 lug hubs for the car that I sold. I was gonna do a 5 lug conversion on that CA 240. Cool, now we have spare 5 lug hubs. All right, well, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you, everyone. We'll get back to the vlog.
So, Josh's race car needs some help. He's busy with.
I'm not gonna do it.
He's busy with that initial D car.
Jordan said he wants to work on his car, and he doesn't have a car. So, work on my car if you want, Jordan.
I'm gonna do whatever.
My axle boot is ripped, so he needs to take off the axle.
Josh basically did everything already. He just left some bolts that I should be able to take out because I'm not that dumb.
You
Got him.
got him. All right. Wow, it's so bright out here. How come auto ISO is so bright, bro? Gotta put some goodies on the red car to complete it. What do we got? We got info motors, a little bit of BAPE, postal sticker, like my go-to. Right there. Yeah. Boom. And then of course, my leaf. No, I don't smoke weed, but I think it smells great and it looks beautiful. And I always have these in my cars too. So, just a little tradition. Cops don't really like it, but whatever. Should we put this? Not really a sticker, it's more like a, yeah, I think it's an envelope. Well, I think it's like those Chinese envelopes where they give you money. I don't know. We'll stick that right there. Make sure you wash your window thoroughly before you put stickers on.
No dust. Great job. Super clean.
Is it clean? You know, it's gonna be on there forever, so make sure you do a really good job. How should I do this? Whatever, we'll do it like that. I need to put that sticker on better. You don't need music for a car that sounds super good, huh? How's my speedometer? It's just a beep. It tells me how fast I'm going. Yeah, it's pretty accurate. We're gonna go mail some stickers out real quick. Let me know if you guys want Baron's Garage stickers. We do sell them. They're 3 for $10. Turn signals work. So sick. Just installed these guys for absolutely no reason. Just rubbing a little bit, not too much. Feels good, sounds good, not the rubbing. Sounds like freaking Chewbacca. Yeah, I just filled up gas yesterday. I already used half a tank. I've only gone 10 miles. This car is not really gas efficient. I gotta get up there super fast. Turn your signals on, kids. That's just weird. I gotta get used to that.
Get the reach there.
Yeah. Oh, some guy's giving me a 1JZ for free.
What?
This guy hit me up and he's like, I live 5 blocks away from you. And he's like, I have a 1JZ for this car, right? And I'm like, oh, it has a 1J in it, bro. And he's like, I was like, how much though? He's like, a couple stickers.
What?
Yeah. I was tripping out. And I'm like, seriously? He's like, honestly, bro, I'll just give it to you. I'm like, sweet. I will take it. So we're gonna do a 1J Hachi. I'll be back. Should probably go home and fix that. We gotta stop by O'Reilly's real fast though. How's it going? Or a 90-240 SX Nissan.
Final Bars. You guys have a YouTube channel? By Josh.
Yeah.
Right on.
Mind if I ask what kind of YouTube channel it is?
Yeah, it's all cars. Imports,
really?
yeah.
Nice, man.
Cars from Japan.
What kind of car you?
That red 240 out there.
Yeah, that is clean 240.
Yeah, they sell these. They sell these for like, I don't know how much, but I'm like, screw that.
DIY.
I'm gonna make my own. Alright, man. Thank you. You too. Let's do this.
Oh, snap.
So, looks like it's part of the tire.
That's freaking sharp.
Should do the job. Dang! What do I do? I mean, it's rubbing all the way up there, so. Ouch, that freaking rotor's hot. I need a bigger hammer. Like, what am I gonna do with this? I might as well use a friggin' butter knife. Looks good now. Yeah? I think it's gonna rub? Yeah, don't look at that. You don't need to look at that. I think they'll do the job.
Good idea. We need wheels.
Yeah, those wheels. You like those wheels?
It's a big wheel.
That's big. Alright, say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog.
This way. Say bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.